If you want to make a post on a Reddit community, then here's what you're going to do. First, you're going to make sure that you find a community first. You're going to navigate to the subreddit section, wherein right here, you can find it from your recent if you have communities, or if you can also scroll down to the community section right here. If you don't have any communities yet, you can create one, or you can just join any communities by also just clicking on any communities that you want to join. So you can search for it. You can also just view a post and then just click on the community right here and then click on join. So again, you can just hover your mouse over it and then just click on join right here. And then after that, once you have your community, I'm just going to post right here in the new to Reddit community that I have. You're going to have to go to and look for the create button at the top right, usually, or a create a post button within the subreddit. So you can find it right here, just beside the profile and the profile name. You're going to click on create a post. And then first, you're going to have to make sure that you view all of the rules. Always review the community's rules, usually in the sidebar or the about tab, to ensure your post is appropriate. So you're going to have to make sure that you review all of these rules right here. So each community actually have these rules right here. So you have to view them to avoid being your posts being removed or flagged. Now, from here, you're just going to make sure that you enter a title for your post. This one is required. Your body text is actually optional. You can also add images or videos. You can add links, and then you can also do some polls right here. Now, you're going to have to add a title first. So I'm going to type in my first post, and then from there, make sure that you have at least 25 characters and to summarize your question in the title. My very first post, let's say, my very first post, what should I do? And then after that, you're going to have to click on save draft, or you can also just click on post, but you can also just add an image or video, a link, or a poll. And then this one is only if the community allows it. And that's it. Once you click on post, it will be posted to the Reddit community, and then that's it. You have now created a post on a Reddit community. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.